been a minute since I vlogged. Actually, I filmed 2 videos yesterday, or not yesterday, like this past week. And so I did film, but then I was like, you know, I'm kind of busy this weekend. I might as well vlog. I don't know if I'll do anything with this because I have a tendency to start to vlog and then I just like never finish what I'm vlogging. So yeah, today is Friday, November 6th. Max has off. He usually works 4/10s in the union, so he does have off. Yes, we are decorated for Christmas already. We got our Christmas tree last weekend because we needed a new one, and we were just in town and found a Christmas tree that we liked while we were shopping. And I was like, well, we might as well just put it up because, you know, it's 2020. Why not? So we did that. It's probably lunchtime now. It's 12 o'clock. This morning, Max and I had eggs and stuff for breakfast. And then we got this adventure challenge book. We ordered it to try to have over quarantine, and we didn't get it in time. And so we haven't really done anything with it because we've been so busy. But we did this one this morning. I don't want to like spoil it in case anyone gets this. So we did that this morning, which was kind of fun. So we have to finish the rest of our challenge later today. It's just like a little date. But so we did that. We're gonna move our patio furniture into the shed because it's a nice day, but it's going to be cold here soon, and obviously we're not gonna let it out on our porch all winter. So we're gonna try and move that into the shed. We need to run to town to drop Max's union dues off, and then later tonight we are moving stuff up to my new salon, so I'll give you a little sneak peek of that. That'll be fun. Let's see, Saturday at 2 o'clock we have a photo shoot, and then we're riding all afternoon with our friends, all evening with our friends. And then Sunday we are doing mini Christmas sessions all day. And then, yeah, so we have a busy weekend. So I figured why not vlog, because, you know, I'm in such like a YouTube rut anyway, and I don't have like good content that I want to film. So I might as well just show you my life so you don't think I'm just totally slacking. So that's the plan. Our sticky notes are part of our challenge we just did from our little book. I'll show you guys. The girls are out here playing. It's actually really nice today. Hi, Lexi Lou and Lola Bug. Hi, girls. Come on. So, like, we need to put their dog's pool away and then all our patio furniture. I love our red porch. We should paint our porch today. Are we going to paint our porch? I don't know.
I sat down by the ocean. It's that tears that I feel fill up with emotions. Could I taste them for real? Longing for you, oh, but I can't get back. What can I do when your train is gone?
Okay, so we ended up coming to Lowe's.
It smells like dog food.
It smells like what?
Dog food.
Dog food.
Yeah.
We decided to come to Lowe's to get paint because we are going to paint our porch, I guess. And I've changed my clothes into old clothes because I was in like nice loungewear and I'm in old loungewear for painting. Woods and love. Okay, so I'm painting and realized I haven't vlogged, and I'm going to talk because there's music and I don't want to get copyrighted. So we put our bottom board on, and now we are putting our primer on, which is down in the grass. Sorry, I don't know if you can see what that is, but that's the kind of primer we have. And so we're priming over the ugly red that was here before. And then I don't know if we'll get to do a second coat today. To be determined. Hey friends, I'm out on the porch. It's about 4 o'clock and we have to go into the old salon and the new salon to move stuff today. We're meeting them up there. Our friend Isaac gets off at 5. So he's going to meet us up there and he's going to help us move because she's 2 strong guys to help. So that's Max and Isaac. But I want to show you the porch. We have our primer done. We weren't priming specifically everything, so our porch was like 2 colors before, and I'm going to try to find a spot. I'm in my, so you can see our porch. we've got a lot going on. So this used to be lattice. I'll try to find a picture of it, like to insert before, but this whole thing had like old lattice on. So we ripped that off first. Once we ripped that off, we didn't like really think about it before, but there was just no plank here because it like the whole thing had like white lattice. So then we had this weird like gap. So we did have to buy that, and that's why we got our 2x4s. So we have that blank in there. Then this outside color actually isn't bad, but all the inside that we primed was this like fire hydrant red, and then we have like just the burgundy. And if it was all burgundy, it would have been fine, but it was so like splotchy and uneven. And this bright red that they did, not only is it hideous, but I don't think it was outdoor paint. So that being said, we primed everywhere that it was that fire hydrant red. We scrubbed off as much as we could, peeled off as much as we could, and then we just primed over it with the primer that they suggested. And then we're gonna do 2 coats of our outdoor exterior paint tomorrow, which is this color. If you guys don't remember, I can give you an actual good shot of it now. So it's a really, really dark brown. So it's gonna look nice with our carpeting that needs vacuumed. But it's got like this dark tone in it that matches this really nice. So you can see we have a hodgepodge 1 coat of paint going on. That's all for out here today. We're gonna get up early tomorrow. Hope it doesn't do too much, like do tomorrow too much, and then we can get up early and get it done before my photo shoot at 2. That's the plan. So I'm gonna go change my clothes. I'm gonna try to get as much paint off of me as I can. Don't think I'll be able to, but yeah. Salon. Max and Isaac are down there putting the desk back together. Andrea just went back to get the shampoo bowl, but this is the sneak peek of the new place. Over here is the nail room. I love the shape of it. The inspector is coming Tuesday. No, I think they were in. Over here is going to be the shampoo bowls. That's where she just went to go get one of them because they still have clients this weekend, so then the other will come. That is the bathroom for clients. This is our mixing room. And then back here is going to be the lash and makeup room.
Fill up with emotions. Could I taste them for real? Longing for you, longing for you. Oh, but I can't get back. What can I do? What can I do? Oh, when your train is gone. I don't wanna go back, don't wanna.
Okay, I'm looking rough. I'm here with a vlog update. Max is getting rubber gloves to go clean up a pile of dog poop. I just bathed the dogs. They're back there in their little pen, drying in the sunshine. So I finished the inside of the porch. I'll show you guys in a second. But then I have to go get ready because I have my photo shoot at 2 o'clock today. We're at our photo shoot location. We're trying to get a hold of the people that are meeting us here to like send them the pin up for our location, but we have no service. We're LPA things. Rick down there casually goes around my license plate. Yeah, that's what we're working with today. Say hi.
Hi everybody! We just finished the photo shoot.
It went really good. Actually, that's what I was just thinking at the time. It's like, what, 3:50? The shoot was at 2:30, so it took a little over. It was like less than an hour and a half though.
It went well though.
Yes. I'm going up this way because I want to show Courtney where we're doing our thing quick.
Okay, sounds good.
Wait, where do I turn in now?
Right here.
Right here?
Yep. We are going to where we're seeing our mini shoots.
Yes. The mini sessions for tomorrow. Oh good, she's following me. She has no idea how to get home. We're like 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes from where she lives. I just turned off to a back road and she doesn't know where we're going and she's following us.
Gotta love her, gotta love her.
We're riding with our friends.
Oh, but I can't get back. What can I do? What can I do? Oh, when your train is gone. I don't wanna go back, don't wanna go back. If you are not with me, hey, do you read me? Go back to where we came from. If my hands are empty, hey, do you read me? Go back. I don't
too tall for me. It is Sunday, and we just took the dogs out, and I was like, I don't think I showed, because when I left for my photo shoot, Max was here finishing the railing and the porch and stuff, so I want to show you guys the end result. That's what he did yesterday. It looks so much better.
A whole lot better.
We still need a second coat of paint over on these ones we ran out, and then the steps need a little more. You can see there's just a little patchy, but it still looks good. We ran out of paint. He did good.
You did all right now. It looks good.
Way better than the red.
Yeah.
They shouldn't put signs. They should just start building the building. Not fully, but
Hi, I'm at Courtney's house. This isn't your house.
This is my house.
I'm at my,
With my very own money.
I'm at my mom's house.
Update them on my lashes.
Courtney, I've been vlogging all weekend, so go ahead
Let me
and
tell you a secret. No, it's not a secret. Today I was getting ready and I was curling my eyelashes.
I can
and
insert a picture of the eyelash curler.
sitting here like this, and all of a sudden my curler went like this, and then it ripped all of my lashes out.
Oh no! We're getting ready for the photo shoot for our mini sessions today, and she's getting ready. She's also getting pictures. Her and Colin. Oh, here's the Colin. Oh look, there's still a couple little eyelashes in there. Anyway, so the boys are going to get ready because we have a couple shoots before we do our own, and then she's meeting us there, but she's got to put eyelashes on. I'm surprised that you have some handy from Halloween.
Yes, and I've been wearing them. No.
Really?
Well, I wore them once.
Hi, this is Paige from Current Editing State here. I did not film any kind of an outro for this vlog, so as I'm here wrapping it all up, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please give a thumbs up, subscribe down below. Next Monday will be my 22 things I've learned in 22 years, so I hope you come back for more.